Hello guys, welcome to Pytax 101. Today we are going to solve another problem question. So in this question we are given basically two equations. One is A and the second one is B. And we'll just have to draw the surface and then the points on the surface corresponding to x equals 0.1 and y equals 0.3. So this is very easy question. So let's first just assign the variables quickly. We have the variables x and y in the function, and first let's write the first equation here. Just copy it here and paste it here, and we'll write a as the function x y. So that should be it. And now we'll just plot the surface, and I'm gonna give it some color. Let's say give it some blue color. And now let's run the section. See if the code runs. Okay, yes. So that's our surface. And yeah, now we'll proceed to the second part of the question, where we will have to draw 2 points on the surface at the given coordinates. So we'll take the x value, we'll write it as px equals 0.1 and then py equals 0.3. Now we will have to get the third coordinate because this is a 3-axis plane, and we will write the third axis in terms of the function of the original equation, and we'll substitute the coordinates inside it. Yeah, that should give us the third coordinate. And now we will use the plot3 command here, or the function here, and we can just write the coordinates here, and we'll give it some color, like I will give it some red color, and I want the shape of a dot here, and marker size of 25. Now that's good, and that should be it for the first question. Yeah, actually we forgot to put the hole down here, and also when we are writing the coordinates from the surface, we should always put x is equal here. X is equal command is very important because we don't want the coordinates to be lie outside our view window, so that should fix the problem now. So now we can clearly see the surface and the point on the surface. So that was for the first question. It was very easy, and it's going to be same for the second one also, because in the second one we will just have to take the cube root instead of the square root, and rest remains the same. Okay, so now we will move to the second part of the question, which is also basically the same as the first question, but there's a little bit of difference here. Instead of the square root, we will have to take the cube root of the original equation. I'm just copying it here. I'll write it in the form of function of x and y. Yeah, that should be it. And we will just have to copy the above code because it's going to be same for the second question also. We don't have any specific coordinates for the second part, so we'll use the same ones, and this time we'll just change the color of the surface. Okay, and we'll leave the rest as the same. Yeah, well, what we should be noting here that maybe we don't need x is equal here, because that command sometimes give us the very undesired output. So that's why I'm just removing the x is equal. And now we can run the segment here. Now, as you can see, we have the second part of the question, and we also have the surface here and the point on the surface where x equals 0.1 and y equals 0.3. So that was it for the today's question. Hope to see you again in the next video. Until then, take care and thanks for watching this video.